ProSource is an application development shop. What Services Ready has done for us is basically allowed us to mature our processes. By having the Services Ready program, it basically put us a step above. We were, in essence, endorsed by Microsoft and understood how Microsoft delivered their own solutions. It shortcuts the time frame from a sales perspective because you have the credibility of saying that your people are Services Ready trained, and it also shortens the time from a delivery perspective.
We work with Fortune 500 companies in driving business solutions. One of the challenges has always been is to be as good as MCS. So Microsoft came out about 2 years ago with the Services Ready program, which allows all of our consultants to develop their skills, get the proper training, so our consultants will be in the same position as MCS employees.
Basically what the program does is it enables you as a services partner to adopt quickly a Microsoft practice. In our case, it was SharePoint, and we get Microsoft's knowledge, internal knowledge, on how to handle customers that were starting large SharePoint projects, and Microsoft transfers that knowledge over to us from the initial proposal all the way to the final delivery to the customer.
It's through Services Ready program that you sit down with a Microsoft rep who will define with you which areas in business that we need to work on together and which business solutions and the technologies that support those business solutions. Services Ready is a program that enables the partners to learn more about the technologies that Microsoft are pushing to the market. It gives them a heads up, it gives them the support they need to be able to make use of those technologies to transform them to meaningful solutions for our customers. Without this, we'll be left behind.
One of the values or hidden values of the Services Ready program is it allows me to marshal our resources for our company around intellectual property development that's outside of what MCS is going to develop. Let me give you an example. In the Services Ready program, they have built intellectual property around rights management services, or RMS. And we could have set aside some principal consultants in our practice to develop the same offering. So I'd have had to spend our time, resources, and money to develop the intellectual property to take that to market. Now with MCS's Services Ready, I can look at their pipeline, the roadmap of products they're building, consulting services that they're going to share with us, and I can just buy that IP, that intellectual property, and take it to market faster.
One of the biggest benefits we've received is by the relationship that we have formed with the people that are running Services Ready. And by having our checkpoint meetings on a weekly to bi-weekly basis, in essence has given us a conduit into Microsoft where we can reach in, get answers much more efficiently than we have in the past. So we have somebody that basically is working for us inside Microsoft to assist us in areas where we needed assistance.
Data3 has a long track record of working with Microsoft Consulting Services. We looked at Services Ready as a way to sort of formalise and deepen that relationship. We had a customer who's considering a Windows 7 deployment. There was a large state government customer. Their desktop optimisation offering we purchased from Microsoft helped us get that deal across the line. The only way we could get that deal is because of Services Ready.
Services Ready pretty much gives a holistic, a very end-to-end approach. The people, process, technology approach really makes it very, very compelling for our customers. We save their time by making sure that we explain the engagement model to them very well. And not only that, Microsoft has also taken a lot of efforts in training partners like us all over the world.
The Services Ready program has been a positive relationship builder for Avanade. It definitely has helped us to understand the roadmap of how offerings come through MCS. In terms of the thinking of the graduation ideology around that, in terms of taking offerings to market.
Knowing that we've gone through the same training that Microsoft provides to their own employees has really separated us from the normal gold partner status. So it's put us one step ahead of the thousands of other partners that are out there. Being part of Services Ready and having that consistent training, IP knowledge that MCS has puts you on a different scale.
I am a huge fan of the Microsoft Services Ready program. I think Services Ready gives us a big advantage and differentiates us from the competition.